Oh, the undertow was unreal. Now look up the ramp and you can hear the undertow and you can feel it. Don't know if this does justify it. I'll keep everybody's face out though.
This is where I didn't want to do an hour. I don't know how well I handle this.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is minty. This is what I'm talking about.
Oh.
I can't believe how much things have picked up. All that undertow. This is all caused by that hurricane 1,000 miles away. And on a normal day, that's breaking like 15 feet high. But the undertow is kicking in. I was going to run in and grab the life ring, but the fog has moved in.
Oh, look at that bird right there.
The rock's right over there. Oh, that's a cormorant bird. Look at that. Camera doesn't do justice to show the undertow.
He's gonna keep clicking.
I'm just running the video. Just get the screenshot afterwards. Oh. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I'm surprised there's nothing in here. Sea lions or seals. All hands and limbs at the side of the ride at all times. They are cute.
Long Beach Rescue, Next Coast Guard Radio, 26, over.
Oops, sorry. Kind of a sketchy spot. See the seaweed kind of rolling back and forth due to the surge. I don't know if they'll pick it up, but all the algae in the water right now being stirred off the bottom. Look out the camera and it stops. It's been better.
It's been better?
It's been much better this week.
This week, yeah. It's been flat, eh?
Pleasure boat has less right away than the passenger craft. Yeehaw! There's my roller. This is the last trip of the day. Last call. Can't see the lighthouse though. Woo! Man, we're going to see that rock before we get in. Can you see the lighthouse? Camera really does no justice. Well, I'm gonna get the light ring. About $1.